Maintenance Manager provides real-time visibility into your maintenance operations, so you can see at a glance inspections that have passed, failed, haven't started, or are in progress.
You can filter your inspection report by date, machine, and line or work area. You can also search by keyword and download an inspection report spreadsheet.
Staff click on the machine to view a list of required inspections. To begin an inspection, the staff member simply clicks on the inspection form name. Staff enter whatever data you require to complete the inspection. If an inspection fails, the staff can add additional information including talk-to-text descriptions and photos with sketch capability. Failed inspections are automatically added to the In Progress section. Supervisors can review tickets, including photos and additional information. They can then assign the job and add comments. Maintenance workers log in to view all open tickets assigned to them. As they work on the issue, they can add additional information to the ticket. Once a job is completed, it can be reassigned or simply closed. All inspections data is captured in form reports, one for each inspection form. All reports auto-capture metadata, including the user, date and time, and location of the submission. In addition to downloading a spreadsheet, administrators can export PDF documents for any submission record either by email, download, or print. Administrators have access to a comprehensive suite of tools used to set up and manage your app. The first step is to set up your shifts, lines and work areas, machines, and equipment. To add a machine, administrators simply add a machine type and then associate specific machines to specific lines, areas, departments, and work sites. Once you're done setting up your app, you build your inspection forms using the form builder. Add fields, change the name of the form, specify different submission behaviors. You're in control. To schedule the inspection, simply select the machine you wish to inspect, select the form, and assign a schedule. Once completed, the new inspection will show up in the inspection schedule. The Documents option makes it easy for your staff to find maintenance manuals, HR and admin policies, SOPs, and more. You can upload documents or just link them from an existing cloud-based repository like Google Drive, Box, and so on. You can also add the parts checkout section to your app. This allows staff to check out parts and associate them with a work order simply by scanning a barcode.